Today we're going to look at mean from a frequency table. Okay, so we've got a table, we've got number of sweets, maybe sold or eaten, whatever, and how many people ate that amount. So the first thing that we have to do is we have to actually add on another column onto the frequency table, okay? And this column is called the FX column. Okay, the frequency is just really, we shorten it for F sometimes. Okay, now knowing what to put in the FX column, all we do is we simply multiply the number times the frequency. Okay, so 23 multiplied by 1 is 23. 24 times 4 is 96. 25 times 9 is 225. 26 times 3 is 78. And 27 times 3 is 81. Okay. Our next step is to add it up. Okay, so let's just add up all of 23 plus 96 plus 225 plus 78 plus 81. And that gives me a final answer of 503. Okay. Oh, sorry, there you go, it says there. Number of sweets in 20 bags. So, next thing we're going to do is add up the frequency. Now, the frequency should be 20 because it says up here that it's 20 bags. But I like to just double check. So 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 3 plus 3 is 20. So, now to find the mean. All we do is so this little sign here just means sum. Okay, so the sum of, so we do the sum of the FX column divided by the sum of the frequency column. And that is the mean. So in this case, it's 503 divided by 20. So 503 divided by 20, this gives me 25.15. And let's keep the decimal in. Okay, so there's the first question. I would recommend you take that down, so just pause it and do so now. And the next question, okay. Bobby played 20 football matches for his school team. The number of goals scored in each game are shown in the table. Now this time they've actually put the column on for you, okay. You just have to fill it in. Sometimes in the actual GCSE paper, they will give you that column, and sometimes they won't, and you just have to remember to do it yourself. The number of matches is really our frequency, so let's label that F. And again, we do the same thing. We multiply the goals by the number of matches. So 0 times 3 is 0, 1 times 5 is 5, 2 times 9 is 18, 3 times 1 is 3, and 4 times 2 is 8. Then what we do is we just add up the columns. So 0 plus 5 plus 18 plus 3 plus 8 gives me 34. And the frequency adds up to 3 plus 5 plus 9 plus 1 plus 2, which is 20. Okay, and we're just going to use the same formula. So the mean equals the sum of the FX columns, that's the new one, divided by the sum of the frequency column, which is 34 divided by 20, which is 1.7. Okay, and thankfully we're just finished. You can probably hear I've got a crying baby in the background. Okay, have a good day, guys. See you later.